Hi, I'm Amar Patel, American Solidarity Party nominee for Vice President of the United States. Presidential candidate Brian Carroll and I wish you a happy and safe 4th of July. Today marks our breaking away from Great Britain, but isn't it ironic that Independence Day generally is a time for family, friends, and neighbors to come together for a good meal and fireworks? It seems we celebrate independence most of the days of the year, and then holidays are times where we actually celebrate interdependence. I believe that Republicans and Democrats are only really successful at making us independent of each other and more reliant on government. So many people are looking for Donald Trump to save us from Joe Biden, or vice versa. But either one is only going to continue the cycle. The Brian Carroll 2020 campaign seeks to break the cycle. We want to spark a movement that inspires Americans to recognize that neither political party offers a complete set of policies that will strengthen families, neighborhoods, and social institutions. Republicans talk about family values, but then resist the sacrifice necessary to make sure the health and financial security of all is a priority. Democrats talk about caring for the little guy and workers, but sometimes the littlest guy can be too much of a burden, and the conscience of workers isn't always important. This process won't come easy. As Americans, we need to set aside our liberal, conservative, binary arguments. You see, solidarity is much harder than me first thinking. It takes more effort to go in and check up on your neighbor than it does to binge watch something on TV. It takes more effort to actually reconcile with someone that you've hurt than just to ignore the problem and hope that it goes away. We believe that strong families beget strong neighborhoods, which beget a chance to break away from the power of a strong central government. At the end of the day, we didn't break free from England to be free of each other. Again, happy 4th. Stay tuned and stay safe.